This video covers the installation and configuration of the SmokeSight wired alarm. SS10MANN. Once you have determined your smoke alarm locations, fix the mounting base using 8-gauge or 4mm countersunk screws and suitable anchors. For plaster, we recommend screw anchors, while for masonry, use plug anchors. Next, insert the AA batteries, both in the same direction, into the warning battery removed bay of the smoke alarm. Test the smoke alarm by pressing the test button to confirm sounder operation and red LED flashing. Attach the smoke alarm onto the installed mounting base. If the mounting base is powered, the green LED will be illuminated. Test the interconnect by pressing the test button on one alarm to confirm sounder operation on the other wired alarms. To help you locate the originating alarm, only its red LED will flash. That completes the configuration of the SmokeSight alarm. Make sure you subscribe to the Red Busbar channel and activate the notification bell. For more information, please visit smokesight.com.